Hello everyone. So today is day 12 in our video streak. The video streak is going really well, and you might be thinking that what is today's topic of discussion? Yeah, so today's topic of discussion is about emotional management. As we come into the stock market, we buy a stock or sell a stock. So when we buy a stock, we have some greed with us, and when we sell a stock, after selling a stock, we are if we are thinking of selling a stock, we are in a mode of fearfulness. A little bit of fear is there in our thinking, and this is the two major emotions which we need to focus on and which we come across when we are dealing with stocks. The trading of stocks involves these two emotions as human beings. So we have to focus on managing these two emotions. So we have to firstly manage our quantities. We have to buy less in the beginning as a beginners. So we have to increase our quantity as the time goes by. So if you think of COVID-19 in the year of 2020, so many of investors, they sold their holdings fearing that they may get a loss. But some of them, they strategized and made decisions to keep hold of their stocks and stayed calm. And what happened is they reaped the rewards of the next upward momentum. So they have had a lot of positive gains over the years after 2020. So now 2024, in the year 2024, which is current year, it is performing really well, the market. So we can always need to be, we always need to be calm in the long term. So let's go to the charts and see what happens today. First stock I'm going to discuss about is GSFC. GSFC you had to buy in the month of, let's go, yeah, in the month of November of 2023, and we are holding it still. In the month of November, you had to buy it at 250 rupees, and now it is again trading at around 250 rupees. So it is no loss, no profit gain, but it has a lot of potential, this stock, in the future. Next stock is Fact, again a fertilizer stock. This industry of fertilizers has been in trend recently, and we had to buy it in the month of 2023 June, and now we have to hold it. In the month of June of 2023, it was trading around 500 rupees, and now it is trading around 1100 rupees. So it is more than doubled. So again, a very good gain. The next stock I'm going to talk about is Cera Sanitary Ware. Cera is again a stock which we had to buy a little bit in the past, in the month of May of 2023 at around 8,000 rupees, and now it is trading at around 9,000 rupees. So in less than 1 year, it is a little bit of in profit, and we can see that it may go up from here, and a lot of potential is there in this stock, and it may go up in the long run. So that was it for the stocks for today, and we had to keep a check on our emotions, definitely, for sure. And we have to keep calm whether we are in profit or we are in loss, because it is a key indicator. These two emotions, fear and greed, they are very vital, very much so vital. We need to keep them in check, and we need to be focused on our emotions, very much so. So that was it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.